Hi students. So in our previous video we have studied about density, right? Now the next physical quantity we are going to look at is force. Actually we are going to see the exact definition of force and some other concepts behind force later in our forthcoming videos. But here we all know that force has got two formulae. F equal to m into A, F is equal to m into G. This is force due to acceleration because A is the acceleration and F is equal to m into G. Here G is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now let us see the difference between the two formulae. First, let us look about F equal to mg. Consider I am taking a body whose mass is m, and when I drop this body towards the earth, so what will happen? Imagine whenever a body is dropped from a particular height, the velocity of that body at different points before it reaches the earth will keep on changing. So there is a change in velocity with respect to time at different points and then only reaches the earth's surface. The change in velocity with respect to time is because of the gravitational force of the earth. So here the change in velocity with respect to time is called acceleration, and since this happens because of gravity, it is called as acceleration due to gravity. Right? That is, the symbol for it is G, and this is the force due to gravity. So the force acting on this chalk piece whenever I drop it towards the earth is the force due to gravity. Now go to F equal to ma. Whenever we would have seen some bike or vehicle, right, moving in a straight line, in the straight direction, the linear direction or linear motion, right? Now when we keep on changing the velocity with respect to time, or if the bike changes its velocity with respect to time at different points, then that change in velocity, that velocity is the linear velocity because the bike is traveling in a straight line, right? So the change in velocity with respect to time in the straight line is called as linear acceleration. And if mass, m is the mass of the bike plus the person who is driving that, m into a. So that is the force due to acceleration. Even when I throw this chalk piece in a straight line, if the chalk piece changes its velocity at different points with respect to time, then it is called acceleration. Then here I have applied a force due to acceleration on the chalk piece, mass of the chalk piece into linear acceleration, right? So this is the difference between F equal to ma and m into g. Thank you.